Good morning, students. Let us start our second chapter, A Tiger in the House. It is about a pet tiger, and the narrator is the grandfather, and the writer is Rusty Bond. Now, let us see or watch in the story how the grandfather has found the pet tiger. Timothy, the tiger cub, was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Tirai jungle near Dehradun. तिमोथी को दादाजी ने तेराई जंगल के निकट देहरादून जंगल में पाया. Grandfather was no shikari, but as he knew the forest of the Siwalis hills better than the most people, he was persuaded to accompany the party. It considers the several very important persons from Delhi to advise on the train of the direction the beater should take once the tiger had been spotted. दादाजी शिकारी नहीं थे, लेकिन वह सब जगह को अच्छी तरह से जानते थे, जिस कारण उसे कंपनियों के द्वारा उसे बाकी को मदद करने के लिए राजी कराया गया था. The camp itself was 7 large tents, one for each shikaris, a dinner tent and a number of servant tents. The dinner was very good, as the grandfather admitted afterwards. It was not often that one saw hot water, plates, finger glasses, and 7 or 8 courses in the tent in the jungle. But that was how things were done in the days of the Victorians. There were also some 50 elephants, 4 of them with howdahs of shikaris and the other specialists trained for taking a part in the beat. और जो कैंप जंगल में बनाया गया था वह बहुत शानदार था और 7 टेंट बनाया गया था, हर एक शिकारी के लिए हर एक टेंट, खाने का टेंट से लेकर पकाने वालों के लिए. उस समय सूबेदार के द्वारा काम किया जाता था और 15 एलिफेंट्स के साथ उनमें से 4 शिकारी पीठ पर थे. The sportsmen never saw a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else, though they saw a number of deer, peacock, and wild boar. They were giving up all hope of finding a tiger, and were beginning to shoot the jackal, when grandfather, strolling down the forest path at some distance from the rest of the party, discovered a little tiger about 18 inches long, hiding among the internal roots of banyan tree. Grandfather picked up him and brought him home. After the camp had broken up, he had no destination of being the only member of the party to have begged and games dead or alive. शिकारियों ने कभी टाइगर को नहीं देखा, ना ही किसी चीज़ का शिकार किया, जबकि वे हिरन, पीकॉक इत्यादि को देखे. आखिर में वे टाइगर की खोज से निराश हो गए और वो जैकल का शिकार करने को चाहा. दादाजी चलते चलते कुछ दूर जंगल की ओर निकल गए. तब उसने 18 इंच का छोटा सा बाघ देखा जो बनियान ट्री के पीछे छिपा हुआ था. कैंप खत्म होने के बाद दादाजी ने उसे घर ले गया. At the first, the tiger cub was named Timothy by grandmother and was brought by internally of milk given to him in a feeding bottle of our cook Mohammed. But the milk proved too rich for him, and he was put on diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by more tempting diet of pigeon and rabbits. उसके बाद दादाजी ने उसका नाम तिमोती रखा. उसने उसे बोतल से दूध पिलाकर पाला। बाद में उसे बकरी का बच्चा, मीट और मछली का तेल का खुराक दी गई। इसके बाद उसे कबूतरों और खरगोशों का भोजन भी दिया गया। Timothy was provided with 2 companions, Toto the monkey, who was bold enough to pull the younger tiger by the tail and then climb up curtains if Timothy lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. तिमोथी का 2 दोस्त बना। वह था बंदर और एक पिल्ला जिसे हम कुत्ता का बच्चा कहते हैं। टोटो बहुत शरारती था। वह हमेशा तिमोथी का पूंछ खींचकर पर्दे की ओर चढ़ जाया करता था, जिससे तिमोथी बहुत नाराज हो जाया करता था। At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring if it came too near. He could make absurd dashes at it with his large forepaws and then retreated to a safe distance. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. पहले तिमोथी पपी से डरता था। बाद में वह उसे अपने पीठ पर चढ़ने और विश्राम करने को दिया। One of Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who could play with him. And so, when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorite. With a crafty look in his glittering eyes and his body crouching, he could creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash of my feet, rolling over his back and kicking with delight, and pretending to bite my ankles. तिमोथी को अपने खेल या साथियों के साथ तथा उनका पीछा करना उसे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता था और वह उसका मनपसंद खेल था। वह लेखक के पैरों के ऊपर भी जोर से प्रहार करता था और बाद में उसे काटना चाहता था और बहाना करता था कि वह उसे चाट रहा है। He was by this time the size of full-grown retriever, and when I took him out for a walk, people on the road could give us a wide breath. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty in keeping up with him. His favorite place in the house was the drawing room, and he could make himself comfortable on the long sofa, reeling here with great dignity and snarling at anybody who tried to get him off. कुछ समय के बाद जब वह बड़ा हो गया और जब लेखक का ग्रैंडचाइल्ड उसे बाहर घूमने के लिए ले जाता तो लोग उसे देखकर डरते थे, और जब वह अपना चेन को तेजी से झटका देता था तो उसे संभालना मुश्किल हो जाता। उसका फेवरेट प्लेस ड्राइंग रूम था। उसे लंबे सोफे में सोना बहुत ही पसंद था।